Hey guys, so I'm going to go over how this color by numbers is going to work. So it's going to take 2 days. The first day you're just going to go through and you're going to solve all the equations. The next day you're going to go and match your answer to the color, and then you're going to click in the box for that number. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So day one will look like this. You're just going to go through and you're going to solve all of the equations. And I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it a little bit better. So fractions could look a couple different ways. If you see here, it says 2/8, that's 2/8. It doesn't always perfectly fix it for us, so this would be 3 times 2/8. If you look below, you've got 3/4 times 6/7. So you're going to see both ways the fractions are. All right, if you notice on some of them, like in pink here, we have an improper fraction. In the end, you're going to want to make that a mixed number. You're going to see some mixed numbers on the sheet there. For all of these, you're going to want to simplify, and you're going to want to make them mixed numbers when you can. Not all of them will be mixed numbers. If you notice here, any ones that have these answers, you're going to do blue, black, pink, green, orange, white, yellow, and purple. So you're going to go through and you'll highlight those numbers, those answers in that color. All right, so day two, I put a note here. Fractions may look like this. So you may see the slash, you may see it just look like numbers like this. The mixed fractions, you're going to see them two different ways. You'll see a whole number and you'll see a fraction that converted. Or you might just see this whole number. It doesn't always fix it for us. So on this color by numbers, it looks like this. You do have some whole numbers. Here is a mixed number, 2 2/5. You'll see a 3/4. 9/14. This is 20/27. It takes up 2 lines. Same with 11/18 and a couple of numbers. Here's another mixed number. We've got 3 1/2. It switched over, but then you have 2 2/5. It didn't switch over. All right, how you fill this out. So you will click in the box that you want. So say that I want 20/27. So I'm just going to click in that box. And I'm going to go up here to the paint can. It says fill color. So I will go through and I will select the color that I want. Again, our colors are blue, white, black, orange, yellow, green, pink, and purple. So let's just say that this one's red. That's not one of our color options, but I would go through and I would click red and it will fill that box for me. So if I know that 20/27 is red, I would go into all of the 20/27s and I would click red. Again, red's not one of our colors. This is not one of the answers. If you guys have questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. If you want, I can help you check your answers before you start your color by number. Just shoot me a message.